Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to start a print-on-demand business, and we are going to check out the platform Bonfire. Remember, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell. We are less than 1,500 subscribers away from 10K. So if you're new and you're just watching, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It's fun here. I'm fun. I can be your new BFF that helps you snatch some coins from home. So make sure you are subscribed. We are going to go head over to Bonfire. This is Bonfire. You can sell online, you can create a store, you can create a campaign, you can sell on YouTube, you can fundraise for yourself, for nonprofits, easy to customize, and just lots of different products that they have. I'm going to do a quick scroll down of their website. Obviously, Halloween has just passed and they still have some of those things here. The first thing that we are going to do is hit the Get Started button. And what we want to do is we want to sell online. We want to sell online and we want to create a store. Over here, it tells us it's 100% free to sell, no inventory, responsive and caring support, all things that we want. We're going to go ahead and hit Create a Store, and I'm going to hit Continue. And then it says, if you want to create an account, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Okay, I'm already logged in. That was really easy. Signed in with my Google account. I'm going to go ahead over to Store. We can get that started. I'm going to go ahead and hit Create My Store. Now, these steps may look different if you don't automatically sign in with your Google email. So if you hit Get It Started, Sell Online, and then it might prompt you to go ahead and create a store and then let you know that it is for a business. And then you can choose your organization names and things like that. But because I logged in with my Google, it took me to this dashboard first, where I then went to store. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my store name in, which is Dear Military Spouse. I'm going to hit continue. We have things that you can create your store. So you can do your URL. I'm going to go ahead and hit this little pencil right here, and it has the information. So I want to go ahead and change my URL. This word doesn't have those spaces in it. Right now, it does not have any issues with me having that. You can have a subtitle. I'm just going to put official merchandise, and then I'll put for military spouse. Go ahead, hit save settings, and then I want to go ahead and hit edit header. The header size is 2400 by 900. So you can change the occupancy of this photo. You can make it darker, you can make it lighter, make it barely seen, up to you. If you want to use your store image versus the title, you can. I'm just going to leave that right now. Finish with all that. The header is done. Subtitle is there. You can add social media links if you want. If I want to add the URL for the website, the military spouse.com. If you want to add a social link, Instagram and Facebook or whatever you have, you can save those links. And then we can hit save for later. Everything is basically saved. Now, how you navigate this website is totally up to you. Once I got to this dashboard, I went to my store, kind of did things for my store. Now I'm back on the dashboard and I'm going to go to my account. You can add a profile picture. It's up to you what you want to use. And then it has information, your email address. I'm going to save that. And then here you can unlock stuff. I'm a content creator. If you want to put things like that. So, or you could do for business or organization. It just depends. You can choose the category here. So let's see if they have military. Nope. So I will put family. What's your social media handle? So we see like dear military spouse. Gonna hit continue. A little bit more stuff you can put in here. Save that profile again. That's in the creators hub. Going back to my account, password, email settings if you need to change anything like that, and then payouts. You want to make sure your payouts are fine. I do need to go ahead and refresh so I can see where's Bonfire. There you go. Go ahead. That's 1 minute ago. Did it send me an email? Looking for the verification email. It hits resend verification email to see if I can get it this time. There we go. Now we can verify email. And now we can go back to the payouts and connect it to our PayPal. Connect your PayPal account. And then we need to basically create a campaign. We have our store. We want to create a campaign. That will be the next video, how you get started with creating a campaign and starting a new design, uploading your artwork, and then how to choose it. This was pretty much easy. And then when you sign up for websites, if you can't follow along to this video, always find the dashboard. Sometimes they have the title of the shop and they have lots of things here, profile settings. Just go through all of it. Click everything to make sure you don't miss a step. But again, the dashboard is usually home for all the important information and things that you need to learn. And you can always click that help button to read their blog and find out more information about the website.
I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.